Hi guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today's video is going to be a planner update. If you guys have been following along on this planner journey with me this year, I have gone from using a Stalogy from December of 2018 to June of 2019. Then I moved into a A5 system, didn't like that. Then I jumped into a mini happy planner, didn't like that. And I also tried to get back into the bullet journal, but I didn't like that. I wanted to be able to move things around, and that is how I reverted back to this disc bound system. So, ooh, I have stuff on the back of my planner. So just a little bit about what my planner needs are and what I'm looking for in a planner. That really helped me to narrow down the kind of planner that I wanted to use. Now, I will be honest, I am transparent in my planner journey because as our needs change, so does kind of what it is that we want, and we kind of get that FOMO, that fear of missing out. But for me, when it comes to planning, I like to be able to move things around, which is why I think that I've been gravitating back to this. Although when it comes to the Stalogy, I liked having everything in one place, but after having months and months of stuff compiled together, I did not like having it as bulky and carrying that around. So I've kind of come to a conclusion of what I want for 2020, but let's get into the Franklenplanner. This is a Happy Planner system. I got the Happy Planner hardcover. I would like to get another black one. The black one I had, I ended up cutting it down to A5 size. So I want to get another black one. If you guys know of any like good covers that are not like this bright pink, At Home with Keita was talking about it with her Inkwell Press video, how she wished that Happy Planner had more hardbound covers, and girl, I agree. So this is the classic size. These are metal discs. I will say that these discs are like tarnishing already, and anyway, but that's that. Would I buy these discs? My sister actually gave me hers from the planner that she bought last year. I think it was like a student planner or something like that. So she gave me hers. I actually like the Martha Stewart disc because it's like a thicker plastic, but you still get that gold. It's a shiny gold. So I really like that one, and they're more affordable. These, I'm just like not super impressed with the metal discs. That's just my personal thing. If you have used Levenger, let me know in the description box, because I know Levenger has Levenger and Art both have metal discs. But anyway, so this is the cover, and the inserts I have in here, I have August to December of 2018, and this is the vertical hourly extension pack. I ordered this off of Amazon, and just to show you guys a little bit of how I was using it for August, I was using it as a content calendar, and I did the same thing for September. I just have this really bad habit of not checking my planner, and it's not necessarily the planner per se, it's just I have like this horrible thing. So here's what August looked like. I used some stickers here and there. I was trying out different things throughout August. This one was just really busy this week. Here I implemented a lot of half sheets, and I also realized that I don't like to highlight inside of here. That's just not my thing. I did do a whole entire monthly setup for September where I did my goals. So I'll be doing a separate video checking in with you guys on this and how I want to adjust going forward. I've also shared videos on how I created this fall TV schedule and the Steelers schedule, but As far as what I want to do going forward and what it is that I am looking for, I'm looking to have everything in one location. I am going to be creating a half sheet content planner so that I could take things out of here once I'm done and put them in that planner as reference. Same thing with this stuff. Once 2019 is over, I plan on putting it away, filing it away into a system for me to look back at. That I'm fine with. Same thing with my budget stuff. But as far as what I want to use next year, I really do like the hourly. I've always been a vertical kind of person because I like to list. I'm a lister. So having the vertical, it gives me what it is that I need. So here's just some of the stuff. And if you guys would like to see more on this, one of the people that I love that also uses a vertical hourly from Happy Planner is Organized Money. I'll have her information linked below for you to check out. But I really do like hers. I just feel with this, having my priorities, sometimes I don't have anything to do. Really, my days are like really the same thing. I do my own personal projects in the earlier part of the day, and then in the afternoon, I'm babysitting. And the babysitting gives me some stability as far as financially, but also to get out of the house. Because when you're working in the house all the time, you can go a little stir crazy. So that is why I like this structure. I do wish that the hours were a little bit different, but I also don't want to get a big Happy Planner which has more hours included. So I'm still trying to figure out what hourly I want to get. I'm not sure. So that I'm still trying to figure out for the next year. Now, one thing that has worked, I do love these half sheets. So when I want to take photos, I put them on here. And then this, I also created a DIY about. It's super easy. Just Happy Planner filler paper and some stickers. But this is to keep track of all of my content for the remainder of the year. But also, this is inspired by that at a glance page that they have in the beginning of the Happy Planners now, which I love. So this was another week. Again, if I don't have anything going on, I just put a full box sticker. And then this was last week. I love these little small ones to put in. They fit perfectly where the hour section is. So I love that. And these, I believe, were from the Wellness sticker book. So I've done plan with me's on majority of these spreads. The one I did not do was for this week. And yeah, I just had some freelance stuff I was doing. Yeah, there's nothing too personal inside of here. Unfortunately, I'm not able to go to the Planning a Better Me retreat because of working and just my whole financial situation this summer. So thankfully, you know, there's always next year for stuff like that. But anyway, so I had to do that this week. But getting back to this portion of the planner, I do like the hourly, so that is working for me. What's not working really, like I said, is the content calendar, which is why I'm going to be moving this page out of my planner. So this is going to be coming out. I was moving this from week to week, but it's kind of redundant to have this and then to have the monthly be my content calendar. I need to just stick with this and then have this as reference. So that's what I'm going to go with, and that's how I'm going to move forward. Now, as far as my goals, I don't want to make 3 goals again. I want to just focus on one area, and then if I accomplish other things during the month, great. But I really want to focus on one thing at a time, because I feel like adding so many things on, I don't have like tunnel vision on one specific thing. So I want to be more precise with my goal setting. So that I definitely want to work on for October. I had a memory planning section inside of here. I removed it. My finance section is still inside of here. That's going to remain. And then if you guys would like to know more about this section, I do have my low income budget series. I'll link that. I don't think that there was anything like too crazy. Let me see. No, that really wasn't. Okay. And then I have the notes section here. The kids I babysit, I have their days off from school. I have quotes that I want to put on my social media. The podcast I do with my brother, I have that. And then I have our format for different kinds of shows that we do. So just notes, and I love folding the pages, and I definitely want to get some more filler paper, but I specifically want grid paper to add inside of here. I do have a pocket. I don't have anything inside of it right now. Now the other newest thing that I bought were these project goal pages, and I really want to make these work. I just haven't figured out exactly how to do that yet. So these, I just have some in the back of my planner, but these would be good for the writing projects that I'm working on, even with like a big cleaning project that I'm doing, any decluttering, any, you know, major video series. Like this would be good for me to use for my planning for 2020 series. And like I said, even though I'd be moving stuff into the content planner that I'm creating, which is a half sheet notebook, but now they're calling it the Skinny Classic. So let's go with the new technical term, the Skinny Classic that I'm making. This would be able to be folded and put inside of there, and I'd still be able to look back at it as reference. So those are just things that I'm toying around with. But for right now, I do like this. I'm going to stick with it. Even though some of the stuff is redundant, I thought about purchasing a B6 Stalogy because I stayed in that planner for a majority of the year and I loved it. But I do like the structure of the hourly. So I'm working with the Franklenplanner. I've been using it for a full month now. I like being able to move things around from week to week. I like being able to have my finance stuff in here. But I decided to ditch the memory section because I don't have much going on, and that is where I created this self-care memory journal here. And this is just a mini happy planner, and I have some black out paper here, and then I have the regular mini dot grid, and I put all of the affirmations in here. I shared this in a video. I'll link below how I created this. And then I also have just some other notes inside of here, but the positive affirmations, I've been asked about that. It's Posh Plans on Instagram. I'll link her as well. But I'll be doing a full detailed video on this, and I have some other fun stuff coming. So my planning for 2020 series is going to be interesting because you guys are going to see which planner that I'm actually going to use, and planners that I'm doing it a little bit different this year. I'm not just going to talk about, you know, planner reviews, but actually planners that I've tried that I don't like. And there's going to be a ton of giveaways because I have so much stuff that I'm not going to be using in 2020, and I want one of you out there to be able to use it. So stay tuned for that. That's going to be happening all December long, but late November, probably after Thanksgiving, I'll start that, but definitely all December long. So stay tuned for that. But that is where I'm at planner wise. My planner update, my Franklenplanner. I like it. I just feel like I need to tweak some things to make it work better for me. And after using it for a month, I think I'm still in a good space with it. So that wraps it up for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will have full details on my planner. Anything that I've mentioned in this video, I link it. I'll have all the details in the description box, and of course the links to my blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you are not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? So much more to come. Like I said, giveaways and all that fun stuff. So click that subscribe button. And for all of you that are subscribed, I thank you so much for rocking with me, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.